Also at the State House today, hundreds filled the rotunda this morning for the 4th annual STEM Matters Day. Idaho students, teachers, and elected officials spent the day learning how to code, exploring virtual reality, and interacting with robots and drones. As Idaho continues to grow, so too does the need for STEM-related jobs. Angela Hemingway, the director of the Idaho STEM Action Center, says Idaho has the 3rd fastest job growth and the 2nd fastest tech sector growth in the country, but STEM careers are going unfilled.
In 2018, Idaho had 6,300 unfilled STEM jobs. So there's jobs here in Idaho in the STEM fields, and this is a way to bring awareness to students about opportunities that exist right here in their own backyard to do hands-on STEM and potentially make that a career.
Idaho Department of Labor predicts as many as 36,000 STEM jobs could be unfilled by 2024 if the trend continues. Remember The Graduate? Big thing back then was plastics.
Oh,
now
that's true.
It's STEM.